Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, we are starting to approach the next Fibonacci level, the 178. Now, like I've been saying, I really tried to emphasize that a wave 3 can extend way higher than you would expect a wave 3 to go. I've seen wave 3s go to 261.8 and beyond. At some point, I do think it needs to make a big wave 4 pullback and a wave 5, but until we have proof that this wave 3 is over, I think we still need to be bullish. There is nothing stopping this thing from going out to any one of those much higher Fibonacci levels. So, taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. So this is a 1, this is a 2, and this is all subdivisions of a big wave 3. So definitely very bullish. All the higher time frames are definitely telling us to look for longs on sort of time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, we are at a Fibonacci level on the daily too, the 2600. Now, if this pulls back and goes down and breaks structure, I'd be more than happy to start looking for shorts. But unless that happens, or until it happens, I am definitely doing nothing but looking for longs on sort of time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the news that we had this week, I don't really think did anything besides cause the end of a 1-2-3 pattern. In hindsight, at the time it might not have been obvious, but now looking at it in hindsight, it is very clearly an ABC correction. And yeah, it looks like price is blowing past this fib level. I mean, if it pulls back, it turns into a spike maybe, but I am very bullish, and my analysis on the dollar pairs has these things going up for a very long time. So if I expect the euro, the pound, and all those pairs to go up in a big way, then I would have to expect that gold would likely continue to go up also. The limit for gold is really endless. You know, this thing could go to $2,800, $3,000. We don't really know. So the trend is definitely your friend, and definitely continue to look for longs at the end of every single pullback you see, especially because we all know that this is a wave 3, and wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we've had a couple decent little pullbacks since the bigger pullback. We had a little 1-2-3 here, we had a little 1-2-3 there. We're blowing past this Fibonacci level, so I would expect it to at least go up to the 2616. You know, if it does make a pullback, I definitely wouldn't try to go short, but instead I would just continue to look for longs. The trend is your friend, like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame. This thing, the sky is the limit, especially looking at the other dollar pairs and how bullish I am on them. I would definitely expect gold to follow all those also. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.